Hello everyone and welcome back to another short tutorial, and in this video I will show you how easy it is to change any color to another color in Canva. All of this is made possible through the use of the latest AI tools available on this platform. However, most of the AI tools on the Canva platform are paid features that are exclusively available to Canva subscribers. Nevertheless, for this video, I will make use of the feature that is still free for anyone with a Canva account. For this video, I will demonstrate how to change the color of clothes, and you will see how easy it is. So let's start by uploading a photo of a man wearing a plain white t-shirt. Of course, you can use any color you want, but for this video, I have decided to use this photo. To change the color of the t-shirt, you will need to activate the new editor in Canva. If you haven't done so already, simply click on the photo you want to edit and select the Edit Image or Edit Photo option. If you are using the old editor, the first thing you will see is a button inviting you to check out the new editor. Simply click on it and you will be taken back to the options for editing images or photos. If you don't see that option, then you are already using the new editor. In the new editor, simply select the Magic Edit feature. This innovative AI feature allows you to transform any object or color into something entirely new. To use this feature, all you need to do is brush over the area that you wish to modify. In the case of this video, I will brush over the white t-shirt. Once done, describe what you want to edit. I would write something like change the color to red. I would like the t-shirt color to be changed to red. The next step is to click the Generate button and wait until you receive 4 generated results. As you can see, using these features is simple, and it allows you to do more than just change colors. Give it a try and let your creativity flow. So, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please use the comment section and I will do my best to reply.